Hey everyone, in this video we will learn to design tooltips. So if you don't know what tooltips is, I can tell you tooltips is a box that you saw when you hover on some tabs like this. Uh, Notice on my cursor. So if I hover on this icon, a box is like appeared below that. So this is called tooltips, right? So this is called tooltips. Uh, you can also see in the browser as well, right? So this is called tooltips. This tooltips is added to your website so that it looks elegant, right? Uh, it will tell your users what the tab will do if you click on that. So this is called tooltips, and why it is used I already told. Now uh, let's design this from scratch. So I already have written the code, but I will like remove all the code, and we will start from scratch. So let me remove the just tooltips design. I'm not removing all the nav bar and the design body or everything. I will not like design in this video because it will take too much time. So I will only design the tooltips. So now this is the basic design that I have created. It do not have any tooltips. Now let's start. So this is the basic code for this design and the basic uh, styling, right? Now let's start the tooltips. So if you see here, this box, this divs is the container for these three icons, right? If you see here, there are three divs uh, for each of this icon, and in each of the box, let me bring it down so that you can visualize easily. The second and the third is this. So this div is this icon, first icon. This second div contain this icon, second icon, and the third is the third icon, right? uh, I have used the font awesome icon in this video. uh, you can also use that. You just need to copy the uh, tooltips, not tooltips, kit code from that website. After you sign up to that website, it will that will provide you it, and you just copy and paste it here, and now you will be ready to use any icons. So I have did already. So let's move on. So the first thing, I want to give each of these divs, each of three divs are tooltips, right? So for this first div, I want to give one tooltips. So I have given the icon. Now it's time to give the uh, tooltips. So I'm using a span tag, and now you need to give the content of that tooltips, right? Like if I hover on it, then what will be the text? right? So now give the text. So this icon is looks like upload. So I am giving upload. Let's add photos as well. So this is uh, let's design the first icon tooltips for first icon first, and then I will design for the rest too, right? So let's see for first one. Now first of all, let me give the border so that you can visualize the this div, right? So let me give it here, border 1 pixel solid, and let's give it red. So for each of the icon I have given the uh, border. Now you can visualize this div has uh, icon and the text, the span tag, right? Now you need to give some styling so that it can be like that when you saw in the beginning, right? So you need to add some CSS code, uh, and nothing. You do not need to do anything in the HTML file. Right now, it's only in the CSS. So now what I will do is I will target this span tag. So I will use this selector, and I will go to the divs and the span. Let's give it border so that I can see the boundary of that solid, and let's give it pink. This is not visual. Let's okay, this is good. I think now what I will do, I will like place this span, or you can say tooltips outside this red box. So to do that, I will use position absolute. You already uh, might know, but if you don't know, position absolute will uh, like place your uh, element according like wherever you want. You can place this uh, place any tags, like if you give the position here, it will be like outside the box. Now you can use top, left, right, bottom to like place it. But when you are using position absolute, you also need to add position relative in its parent. That is because you need to tell from where this calculation top, left, right, bottom will be calculated. So for that, I need to give position relative in to its parent. So I will go to the parent. Parent is this div, and I will give position relative. Right now, let's target this span. Let me give some width. I want 100 pixel. Okay, this is good. Now what I will do, I will give background color black, and color will be white. Okay, now the text position I want center, text align, sorry, text line will be center, the text will be in the center. Now let's give padding 5 pixel from top and bottom, not from right and left. Now let me remove the border, or you can give it black as well. Now it's time to uh, place or like align the tooltips below this icon, right? So you need to give position absolute here, and at top, if you do top 0, it will start from the 0, like from the top. If you give 10, it will be like uh, come down. I need to give it 30, I think, or 35. Okay, this is good. Now what I need to do, uh, I need to remove this like tooltips first, because it should be visible only if I hover on these icons, right? So to do that, to achieve that, you need to do visibility hidden, right? It is now hidden. Now the next step is, when you hover on this icon, then that tooltips should be visual. So as I said, you need to target this icon, so that when your mouse goes on that, the tooltips is visible. So target that div. So I want this div to be targeted, this div, the parent. So link container and the div, if, or you can say, yeah, this is good. If I hover on this div, then the span, the tooltips that you have, the span tag where you have added the visibility hidden, that should be again visible, right? So if I hover on this icon, hover on this container, not container, I need to also add div, because I need to target this div, right? Not the link container div. So if I hover on this, then I need to uh, like go to the span and visibility visual. So if I click on it, it is now visible. So I have like we have achieved that. Now it's time to also achieve on the rest of the two. So you just need to copy the span tag and add it for the rest two of the divs. Change the text. So the second icon looks like sign in, sign up. You can say SIGN, sign in. Let's give it sign in. Or the last icon looks like setting, right? So it should be now good, right? So we have achieved that. You can remove the border from the board, like icons. So this is now ready. So we have achieved that in this video, and in the next video we will like design the some advanced or some more beautiful tooltips. This is simple tooltips, as you can see, but in the next video we will like design some like beautiful tooltips. If you if I like show you, I can. So the tooltips that you are now seeing, it will be like some more style you need to add for the like arrow that you are seeing below the tooltips. So in the next video we will do this. We will achieve that. So thanks for this video. See you in the next.